So we're gonna look at how to enable second rinse for the Miele dishwasher, because my last Miele got ruined because it turns out dishwashers are not safe from dishwasher soap. The dishwasher soap ends up eating the rubber inside and it started leaking. So this new Miele has the feature to enable second rinse. So let's look at the instruction. So we need to go to settings, which is turn on, hit the program button, go to settings, and then go to the rinse cycle, second rinse, and turn it on. And there that is. Okay, do it. So we turn it on. Click the program button. And here, let's go to settings, hit OK. And we need second rinse, click OK, turn it on, hit OK, and we are done.